Today let's do the addition of like fraction. So boys, what are like fraction? The ones which have common denominator. The number at the bottom are the same, right? And then we can do the addition for these kind of like fractions. Now 4 by 8 and 2 by 8, we need to add them. So the first step is 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. That's the first step. All you have to do is, instead of this add sign, you need to put a plus sign because we are adding. All right. Now the next step, I don't think so there is any question or confusion here. Now the next step, we are not going to add the denominator. It's like fraction. Since the denominator are same, we can add the fraction, but we can't add the denominator. We'll just write as it is 8, and on top you write the numerators 4 plus 2. Any question? I'll again repeat. Since they both have the same denominator, we'll write the common denominator here, and on top we add the numerator 4 plus 2. The answer is 6 by 8. 4 plus 2 is 6, and the denominator is 8. Now you can further simplify this. If you leave it here also, it's correct, but you can further simplify this. 2 and 8 are divisible, 6 and 8 are divisible by 2, correct? So what you need to do is 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, 4 times, yeah? So the answer is 3 by 4. I'll repeat this again, boys. 4 by 8 and 2 by 8, they are like fraction because they have the common denominator as 8. First step is you need to write a plus sign instead of and. 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Now second step, since the denominators are common, you just write the denominator as 8. You can't add denominators, and on top add the numerators only. 4 plus 2, which is nothing but 6 by 8. Now the next step, you can leave the answer here itself at 6 by 8. It's still correct. But since 6 and 8 are divisible by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. The answer is 3 by 4. Okay. Now let's do the second problem. Again, what it says, 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. You need to add them, correct? Okay, let me push this little here. Okay. So the first step, what we need to do is, we know that this one, right? We need to put a plus sign. 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. All right. Any question here? It was a comma. You first need to put a plus, and you need to first put a plus because you are adding these three. So plus symbol is the operator or the operand, whatever. I don't know. I've forgotten that. Now just put a plus sign here. Okay. Now since the denominator is common, it's a like fraction. 7 7 7, right? All you have to do is write 1 7 at the bottom. You can't add the denominator. That is the rule of the fraction. Okay. And you only add the numerator. 3 plus 1 plus 3. Now the answer is what? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 7. Again, you can still simplify this as in this way. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Answer is 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1. Alright, moving on to the next one. This is very interesting. First, you need to write one formula. First you need to write D. Look at this formula, boys. Remember this, huh? D. Oh, not plus, into, sorry. D multiplied by W whole of plus N divided by D. Guys, I hope you remember the operation. First you multiply and then you add. Okay, multiplication is first here. So D, and then you do a by or divide. Yeah, D into W plus N by D. D is what? The denominator, this one. W is what? The whole number, this one. N is what? The numerator, this one. So why do we use this formula? To convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. Now just start inserting these numbers into this formula, right? So the first step, guys, look at this. 1 3 by 7, correct? 1 3 by 7. Okay, like, what am I doing? We'll do that, don't worry. 1 3 by 7, right? We'll take some space here. Real estate is there. So first you need to convert this mixed fraction 1 3 by 7, right? What is D here? Denominator in this mixed fraction is 7. That is equal to 7. And what is the whole number which is independent of the fraction? Here, this one, 1. Okay. Plus what is numerator? The 3. Plus 3. Guys, remember plus. By what is denominator again? 7. So the answer is 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10 by 7. I'll again repeat. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. 10 by 7. That is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction. Okay. Now let's look at the other number. 1 6 by 7, right? Again the same formula. Let's write it like 1 6 by 7. What happens to this? Insert here 7 into 1 plus 6 by 7, which is nothing but 7 plus 6. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. 13 by 7. So you need to replace 1 3 by 7 by 10 by 7 and 1 6 by 7 by 13 by 7 and add them here. Okay, let's add them. What is it? 10 by 7 and 13 by 7 is equal to 10 by 7 plus 13 by 7. Now guys, the next step, it has the common denominator. You don't add the denominator, you just write it as one denominator like this, and 10 add the numerator, 10 plus, which becomes what, boys? 23 by 7. Now, since this is a mixed fraction, you need to convert this improper fraction also into mixed fraction. Let's get more real estate for that. 23 by 7. How do you convert 23 by 7 into mixed fraction, boys? 23, 7. Start your 7 tables. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Correct? Are 21. Remainder 2. So you need to write it as 3, 2 by 7 to convert this into a mixed fraction. Write this 3 here, 2 as the numerator, and 7 will always be the denominator because it was denominator here, right? Denominator remains the same. So this 3 comes here, this 2 goes here. Don't go by formula and all. Now again, if at all you want to check your answer, is it correct? 7 threes are 21, 22, 23, 23 by 7. Correct. Okay. So the answer is what? Where is the question, man? The answer is nothing but 3, 2 by 7. This is the answer. I'll do one more problem and then we'll take a break. Guys, add 2 1 by 5 plus 3 2 by 5 plus 1 3 by 5. Same formula. What's the formula we used here? Guys, look at this. What's the formula? D into W plus N divided by D. Correct? Now write it here. Formula denominator into whole number plus bracket plus numerator by denominator. Okay. Now for us to find the improper fraction of 2 1 by 5, all you have to do is insert these numbers in this formula and you'll get it. Denominator is 5 here. Right, 5. Whole number is what? 2. Right, 2 multiply by 2 plus numerator is what? 1. Add 1 divided by 5 is nothing but it's nothing but what? 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 5. 2 1 by 5 is 11 by 5. Now same way, let's find it for 3 2 by 5. You insert in the same formula. Denominator is 5, whole number is 3, add the numerator divided by the denominator. Oh, I'm writing D here, sorry, which is nothing but 17 by 5. Last one is 1 3 by 5, correct? Let's find out what is 1 3 by 5. Denominator is 5 multiplied by whole number is 1, add 3 the numerator by denominator, which is nothing but 8 by 5. So start replacing this by this. 11 by 5, 17 by 5, 8 by 5 is equal to 11 by 5 plus 17 by 5 plus 8 by 5. Let's go back to the, so you don't add denominator. Oh, let me write it a little down. You don't add denominator since we have the common denominator. Write it as 5 and on top add the numerators only. 11 plus 17 plus 8. 11 plus 17 is what? 28. 28 plus 8 is 36 by 5. Correct? Now, since this is a mixed fraction, the question was on a mixed fraction, we need to convert this as a mixed fraction, which is equal to 36 by 5. How do you convert into mixed fraction? Let's take some real estate here. 36 by 5 is nothing but 36 divided by 5. Think like that, yeah? 5 sevens are 35. Remainder 1. This becomes the whole number 7. This becomes the denominator 5, and this becomes the numerator 1. So the answer is nothing but 7 1 by 5. All right. So when you add 2 1 by 5, 3 2 by 5 plus 1 3 by 5, you get 7 1 by 5. Thank you.